Hello dear traders, you're watching the latest economic calendar on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. In the second half of the current week, the following macroeconomic events will see the light of day. On Thursday, Australia will publish its unemployment report for September. Analysts predict the same level of 6.2%. A month earlier, the Australian jobless rate decreased to 6.2% from 6.3% in July, coming in line with economists' expectations. A strong increase in full and part-time employment led to the drop in unemployment. The number of employed people grew by 17,400 against a forecast for an 8,000 rise. Seasonally adjusted participation rate declined to 65% in August after 65.1% in July. On Thursday, the September inflation data will be released in the United States. Market experts anticipate the indicator to fall by 0.2% both on monthly and yearly basis. In August, the indicator edged down by 0.1% in comparison with the previous month. It is the first negative figure since January, when the consumer price index slid by 0.7%. The annual inflation stood at 0.2% in August. Both readings coincided with experts' forecasts. The August fall in prices was due to a resumed tumble in fuel prices and the strong US dollar. These factors make it more difficult for the Federal Reserve System to decide on a rate hike. The first macroeconomic event on Friday will be the release of the CPI statistics for the third quarter in New Zealand. The market supposes a 0.2% rise in prices in relation to the preceding quarter. In the previous quarter, the New Zealand inflation made up 0.4% on a quarterly basis against expectations for a 0.5% growth. In annual terms, prices climbed by 0.3% in the second quarter, meeting analysts' forecasts. Many economists believe that New Zealand's inflation grew moderately again in July to September. Besides, on Thursday, Japan will unveil its data on tertiary industry index, and the US will publish its statistics on unemployment claims and Philadelphia Fed and Empire State's manufacturing indices. On Friday, the Eurozone will disclose the revised data on consumer prices. Canada will provide its manufacturing sales report, and the US will end the trading week with its statistics on consumer sentiment and industrial production. And this concludes the latest economic calendar prepared for you by Insta TV team. Thank you for watching and goodbye.